But when you try off a stick kind of model, it looks too unrealistic. The kids are not going to see the character that much. Okay, so what we try to do is like, let's go with chibi kind of thing where the head is bloated up and the body is small, so that the body is of very low poly and the head is a bit more, high quality, so that on a smaller screen you can see it very clearly and they can identify the characters very quickly. So we had, contrasting colors for each and every characters to make them identify that it's different characters and this is how it works. As usual, production delays always follows us. Two areas, multiplayer mode. It was really tough on dynamic multiplayer for soccer in the game. Even if the soccer in the game is a trimmed down version of 4-on-4, it was really tough for us to have the multiplayer going on. So we had to restrict the multiplayer only for certain games, but it's a production cut that we had to do that went wrong. Another thing is cut down of content. Basically this thing, it's only that we know how much was the initial plan games. We wanted to do 20 games compilation, but since soccer delayed it, we thought we could do a port of a soccer to make it more of a ice hockey or a basketball kind of thing. We couldn't do it. It didn't happen because of our production delay. And we had to throw off those ideas and finally just go with 15 games, cool games, just polish that, we'll get it done in a good compilation. Another thing is no brands. It's something that is a risk that we took in, yes. As I told, if we had put Adidas or Nike over there, or if we had invited getting in Michael Jordan as a brand, maybe it could have sold more, yes. But this no branding was a strict decision that the marketing took in because we know that the DS development is inclining down. So if we invest more on the branding right now, since DS is going, as most of you know that, it is going to go out in 2 years. You have the 3 years coming in launch. So 2 to 5 years, you have the DS going out. So we shouldn't be investing so much money on this, on branding. So it was most of a, marketing idea that it's not worth to take this right now. So with that, I think we enter this discussion on the video games for kids. And right now, we are ready for your questions. No questions?
I don't know if you can answer this or not, but what's the production cost of the game?
Pretty much that I can't exactly given the cost because I don't know I can give you the cost out like that. But I can tell you how much the cost would be, like, just anticipating how it is being calculated. Okay? Because if I give you the exact cost, it's pretty much, I can say that.
What's the rate?
Yeah. See, based on the marketing team, say a 10% of your total cost would be something that goes to, 10% of your development cost is something that goes to a marketing team. Okay. So how do you calculate the development cost? That I'll tell you. Simple thing, you calculate your man months, right? You calculate the salaries of each of your employees, yes. But we have extra coefficient costs, like you have DS kits. So there is a certain percentage that goes on to each of these employees that they take in the cost. And of course, you are using a lot of resources from the studio. So there is a coefficient bracket that sums up. So say for example, if I put in, you have €1,000 bracket per month per resource. Okay, and you are say eating up 90 man months. So 1,000 into 90. But it varies because that's a major reason that I couldn't actually give you the cost in, because currently what we have worked with 2 games, it has costed us from 200 to 350,000 euros. But it's not the case with any of the Indian developers. No, we can't say it and we can't actually yet compare with it because you had a lot of costs that would go with the kits, you had a lot of costs that would go with the distributor channels, and you had a lot of costs that would go with the high-end publisher because as a studio, we can say that most of the price, I mean like unit price that you give, almost 60 to 70% of that one unit goes as Ubisoft as a publisher because they made up the channel. They made sure that the game is shipped on the right retail store. So you have 60 to 70% of the unit cost going to the publisher itself, whereas Ubisoft Pune is a developer. We get only the 30 to 40%. I hope you get a.
What's the unit cost per day?
For 100 all-time favorites, it was shipped with $25 and 25 euros. Okay, and for sports, it is right now, since it is like it is a bit late with the Thanksgiving, it is shipped with 24 to 30 dollars. Yep. Actually, no. 90 days was my magic number. It's 90 days is not a number that I have. Particularly for these two games, we worked on almost 8 to 12
8
months
months.
bracket.
That's 100 games, right? The 100
100 all-time favorites, we worked on a 12 months bracket, and for sports, we worked on for 8 months bracket. And on this, it's not like we have full team from day one.
Yeah, if you could tell in the form of man days or man months, how much would it be
Um,
on an average?
For 100 all-time favorites, it was somewhere around 110 man months,
Okay.
and for sports, it was 95 man months. Because the content was higher for 100 all-time favorites with a lot of games. So we had.
Does that include testing as well?
Yes, yes, yes. Basically, the man months calculation that we do it, it's inclusive of the testing too. We make sure that it is there because how Ubisoft works is every studio that if Pune studio works as a developer, a third-party developer. So when we ask and we put put in a concept to the Ubisoft as a publisher, we'll have to pitch in everything. We'll have to tell this much would be the investment, and we'll have to tell them that every aspect of the investment so that they invest the complete thing. We can't go back at the end of production saying that we need this much more money. So yes, the man months is completely when I put it to the publisher, I put it completely.
So, how many days of, how many man days of testing? Like the 110 man days you said. So roughly how many days of testing in that?
That was a rigorous testing because we had 6 testers going for 3 months. So 3 into 6.
And
18.
when you select the testers for these kind of games, do you consider the demographics, like
Yes,
or
yes. We actually the thing is that is something that the QC at Pune doesn't. They actually selecting the people according to the content that is there, and they balance their teams internally itself. And I, as a producer, just make sure that it is there because I would always say that if it is 6 testers, I would want 2 senior most, 1 intermediate, and 2 juniors. Because senior most guys are going to take out the best, maybe the crappiest bugs out of it. And the juniors are going to give me dumb questions, but those dumb questions are sometimes really valid. Maybe they ask the dumb questions that maybe the same dumb questions that kids can also ask. Kids also do ask dumb questions. So it's something like we take a planning saying that, okay, it's this much of a content, so we need 6 players, minimum multiplayer mode over there. The maximum multiplayer mode is 6, so we need 6, 100% sure. We need a lead. So 1 out of the 2 senior guys is a lead, and we have 2 senior guys who knows about Nintendo, how the guidelines work. An intermediate guy who he also knows it, but he should be able to guide the junior guys also to come up to the standard. So we try to make a balance over there, but it's a negotiation with the producer and the QC manager.
at any point of time, do you get the kids to actually come and play the game if it's a kid game?
Very valid question. I was actually not talking about a specific term over here. It is what we call as playtests. The playtests are something like once we are like halfway through the alpha, we are in production, we have halfway through the alpha. We just bring in a couple of kids to actually give the game and tell them to play it. It's not that they are the actual deciding factor, but we are just making sure whatever anticipated from our side is correct or wrong, whether they are liking or not. If they are not liking, we'll try